This semi-automatic vacuum capping machine is widely popular for its stable capping performance and strong sealing. The device is equipped with a visual control panel, and the user can manually adjust the vacuum value to flexibly respond to different needs. It offers both manual and automatic modes, which can be switched with one key and is easy to operate. The sealing mold is compatible with a variety of different sizes of bottles, easy to replace, save time and effort. Built-in vacuum pump can achieve up to 99% vacuum degree, ensure long-term stable use, suitable for a variety of specifications of bottle caps, production speed of 20 to 40 bottles/minute.